Are you tired of running out of power during your outdoor adventures or emergency situations? With so many solar generators on the market, it's tough to know which one will give you reliable power when you need it most. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 solar generators of 2025, the ultimate solutions for clean, portable energy. Whether you're camping, prepping for a power outage, or simply looking for a sustainable power source, these solar generators offer the best performance, efficiency, and convenience. To make things easier, I've included links to the best deals for each product down in the description. Keep in mind, the power station aren't ranked in any specific order, so stick around until the end to get the full picture. So without wasting your time, let's get started with the video. Number 5. Jackery Solar Generator 4000 Kit. The Jackery Solar Generator 4000 Kit is an excellent portable power solution for those who need reliable, off-grid energy. It includes the Explorer 2000 Plus power station, a 2000 Plus battery pack expansion, and 2 200W Solar Saga panels. Together, they provide a solid 4000W peak power output and a 3000W rated power, ensuring enough capacity to power a wide range of devices, from small electronics to larger appliances. LiFePO4 battery with a 10-year lifespan. Fast AC charging, reaching 100% in just 2 hours. Solar charging, full charge with solar panels in as little as 2 hours under optimal conditions. Battery expansion. The included expansion pack boosts your total capacity to 4000 W1 solar panel efficiency, 3% cell efficiency for optimal energy conversion, compact and portable design, with solar panels that are foldable for easy transport. Weighing 41.9 lbs for the battery pack and offering a solid 2000 W of continuous output. The kit typically costs around $2,509.99 during promotions. Is this product the best for you? If you're someone who frequently spends time off the grid, values solar-powered energy solutions, or requires backup power for home appliances, the Jackery Solar Generator 4000 Kit offers outstanding versatility. It's ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, RV owners, or anyone seeking sustainable power without a hefty price tag for large setups. Number 4. Ecoflow Delta 2. The Ecoflow Delta 2 is a powerhouse portable power station designed to provide reliable energy for various needs, from outdoor adventures to emergency backup power. It packs a 1024W capacity and boasts an 1800W inverter with a surge of 2700W, allowing it to power most household devices, including sensitive electronics with its pure sine wave output. The station includes 4 AC outlets, which make it perfect for powering everything from small appliances to larger electronics. Notably, it features X-Boost technology, enabling it to run devices rated up to 2400 VU, ensuring it's flexible enough to handle more power-hungry appliances. With its compact size and lightweight design compared to similar models, it's a great option for anyone needing reliable, portable power. Priced around $999, it may be an investment, but discounts are often available, making it a more affordable option during sales. Is this the best choice for you? If you need a robust, versatile power station for home or outdoor use, with the ability to power a variety of devices and fast charging options, the Delta 2 stands out. However, if you need higher capacity or more outlets, it's worth considering alternatives like the Bluetti AC180 or Jackery Explorer 1000. Number 3. Bluetti AC180. The Bluetti AC180 is a robust and versatile portable power station that stands out in a crowded market. Powered by a 1152W battery, it delivers 1800W of continuous power, with a surge capacity of up to 2700W for high-power appliances like microwaves and water heaters. It can run devices like a coffee maker for an hour, a fridge for 17 hours, or a lamp for over 100 hours. Notable features include 4 AC outlets, a 100W USB-C port, and a 15W wireless charging pad on top for easy device charging. Additionally, it has a 12V DC vehicle port and 4 5V USB-A ports, which provide a variety of options for charging multiple devices at once. For fast recharging, the AC180 boasts impressive capabilities, reaching 80% charge in just 45 minutes via standard AC wall outlets. It can also charge using solar panels with up to 500W input. The The LiFePO4 battery ensures a long lifespan with 3,500 plus charge cycles, which is a solid investment for those looking for longevity. Pricing for the Bluetti AC180 typically hovers around $809.99, though this can vary based on promotions or availability. If you're looking for a power station with the versatility to handle a range of devices, from lights to larger appliances, and want quick recharging for minimal downtime, the Bluetti AC180 is definitely worth considering. Number 2. Ecoflow Delta 3 Plus. The Ecoflow Delta 3 Plus is a highly capable portable power station designed for a variety of uses, including home backup, camping, and outdoor activities. This unit provides 10 24-watt-hours of power capacity with a 1800-watt output, capable of handling multiple devices simultaneously. Whether you're powering up small appliances, charging your devices, or keeping essential gear running during an outage, the Delta 3 Plus has you covered. The Delta 3 Plus is priced around $799. For this price, you're getting a solid performer with a reliable range of features that provide both efficiency and portability. The versatile AC and DC outputs allow it to charge or power nearly anything, from laptops to small kitchen appliances. It's also relatively lightweight, making it an excellent choice for those needing portability without sacrificing power. This product is best for you if you're in need of a reliable, all-around power station that can handle various tasks from home, backup to off-grid use. If you're someone who frequently travels or camps and needs a power source for multiple devices, this could be an ideal solution. For the price, it offers great value for the features and portability it provides. Whether you are a weekend adventurer or someone wanting peace of mind during power outages, the Delta 3 Plus could be the right fit for your needs. Number 1. Anker Solix C1000. The Anker Solix C1000 is a portable power station designed to meet the power demands of both everyday home appliances and outdoor equipment. Its standout feature is the 1056 Wh capacity, which allows it to power devices like laptops, mini fridges, and even space heaters for hours. The unit can output 1800 Wh of continuous power, with the ability to surge up to 2400 W to handle devices with motors or heating elements. In terms of connectivity, the Anker Solix C1000 is versatile, offering 4 AC outlets, 4 USB ports, and a 12V socket, making it suitable for a variety of devices. Its smart functionality includes an app for remote monitoring and control via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, providing real-time insights into remaining power and device status. The charging speed is impressive, with HyperFlash enabling a full recharge in under an hour, although it can be disabled for longevity. With a price typically around $919, the Anker Solix C1000 is positioned as a competitive choice in its category, especially considering the extensive power options and smart features it offers. It's perfect for individuals who need reliable backup power for home offices, camping trips, or emergencies, and those who want the flexibility to monitor their power usage remotely. If you're looking for a powerful, multifunctional, and portable power station, the Anker Solix C1000 is definitely worth considering.